start priority equal to 1, then this one, sorry, so now we have given priority for each test cases. So first priority is 0. The priority which is given is 0. It's always executed. Then after the priority 1, which is given, it will be executed. Then after once priority 1 is there, priority 2, it will execute it. Let's say it will execute or the whatever the priority set by us, same thing. So we'll run here. Can you guys see? Test 3 is executed first. If you see, remember priority is 0. Then verify launch browser executed second. If you see, priority is a 1. Then what you call test 4. Test 4 which is priority is a 2. So if you see, so whichever the priority is lower the priority, order of execution will be the higher. So if you give, whenever you wanted to execute the test cases based on the priority, we can make use of the parameter called a priority. Now I will give one more scenario. Assume that there are some test cases which have a priority and some test cases which don't have priority. How the order of execution in that case? We'll see. I won't give priority to these test cases. Let's see how it will execute. So here there are test cases which have priority and there are test cases which don't have priority. In that case, TestNG how it will execute. Can you guys see? Test 3. Where is there? So test 3, test 4. Verify. Yeah. So it will always execute the priority which is having due first. Then after that, alphabetical order of the test execution will come. Then priority like this. I think it should not do. Test 3 is let's see how I do. Some let's see. Just a minute, guys. I'm thinking because I'm showing exactly how it will execute, order of execution. I thought something different, but it will showing report is something. So I'm confirming once again exactly how it will execute when you give a priority test cases. With, and there are combination of priority and without priority test cases. Just confirming exactly that report how it will show. Just for okay, yeah. So if they how it will execute, right? So when you have a combination of a test case which is having priority and a test case which you don't have priority, so it will give a always preference to the test cases first which don't have a priority. So which is in alphabetical order. So it will always execute like that only, which don't have priority. If you see here, these test cases don't have a priority. Then other two test cases have a priority. This some priority 3 and like priority 1. This priority 3, where is it? So after that, first it will always execute the test case which don't have a priority exactly. So you remember that one. After that, it will execute based on the priority set by you. So when it is a combination of test cases, to go class is having priority and without priority. If it is a with all priority, it will execute based on the priority set by you. So it is mix match combination. So always give the test preference to the test case which don't have a priority first. Any doubt here with respect to priority? Yeah. So shall we proceed or shall we stop as it's already 8 o'clock? So if you wanted to proceed, we can proceed. Otherwise, we can stop for the today. How guys you want to me? Hello.
So that this is TestNG. Is anything else left over to cover it up?
There are so many are there still exactly. See, these are annotations are there. I'm covering a test. This if these annotation are done right, these are all easy actually. Single we can cover exactly this in one class exactly. So if you know this TestNG, again data provider is there. This is important actually how we wanted to pass input to the test cases. So this is in TestNG, that particular method, what and all things you can do, I'm showing.
Okay.
If you see here, only we took one test cases and at test annotation only we are learning here. No, we didn't move to any other before test, after test. And at test annotation only, what are, for one particular test annotation, what and all things we can do, I'm teaching those things.
Okay.
So if you want, we can what to call proceed tomorrow with other things, whatever the leftovers. Tomorrow may be possible to, if possible, like if I think I may able to finish cover of this entire test NG, others annotation and others what you call data parameter, whichever is available, other left out annotation. I think
Okay.
maybe.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Can we start tomorrow in that case?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Thanks all. Bye.